recording?
Yeah.
Alright. My name is David Gordon, aka Twitches, and I'm 17 years old.
My name is Aiden Koval, aka Tuck51. I'm 17 years old, and we're a music studio.
Alright, we're supposed to tell the reason why we did for the shit. Honestly, I think we're the shit is because we work our asses off in the studio, which is a computer and a microphone, quad approach to
a laptop.
Yeah, we don't even have studio quality because we don't really have all the money and stuff. And like people say that
our shit sounds better. Like we have like less quality. Like we don't have the studio time. I don't have money to afford studio time and all that shit. And we have better music than half the fucking artists around our area that have studio time and all that shit. Like they got good quality and our shit's still better.
Yeah, this is one dude from St. Joe. I don't want to say names and stuff, but he said that he put $60,000 into his album.
And he's recording studio.
And he said that our stuff is still better than his. He said we have better lyrics, more emotion in our stuff than he did. And he just said, you guys get professional studios, get professional songs, you guys can make it somewhere else.
And there could be like a million rappers that don't have good quality, that do have good quality, and they suck. Like I know that's not probably gonna change much, but I mean, if you think about it, we still don't have good quality, and we're fucking massacring people.
Why we're different? I think why we're different is because first off, it may not be a big reason, but I kind of think it is. I don't see it much. I don't see it that much. How many white rappers and black rappers do you see like together in a group? And they're both lyrical. Like I don't even rap about, but we don't rap about bullshit at all. Like other rappers, no one say their names. And like we sit there and we do what we feel like, and it's good. And people don't take it serious in this town because it's small. Like nobody around us, because we're coming from a small town. Nobody wants to take time to actually hear us out and hear what we have to say.
Hip hop's not real big in this environment.
And we just want to get our name known out more. And another thing is, like, we're just different from like a lot of rappers. I can already tell you that. Like what hip hop used to be, we try to make it like our own thing and stuff. Like we're not about to snap, about all that stuff. We just want to make music and actually get our names out there.
Plus we're like equivalent, like some Styles P and Jadakiss. Like you got two rappers that sound good on one track. You could have a million rappers that have like a feature and it wouldn't sound right. Like as a group. Maybe it's one track but not as a group. And we do it like on every fucking song.
And I can also say this. Why we deserve to be on your debut album? Honestly, you can tell us why we deserve to be on the debut album. Not to get smart with you or anything. But all I can say is we work our asses off. Like, and for me, and I think him, like, if I don't make it in music, I don't even know what else to do. That's why, so I push everything I got into this music.
It's like a passion.
Yeah, it's like,
not a fucking...
I don't do it for fun. Like, I do it for fun because it's something I always liked. And I do it because I just always liked it. I always talked about getting famous somehow, making people hear my name and stuff.
It's something you take serious. It's not like a joke.
Even if you don't have the best. That's all I can say. That's what we have to say about it. Thank you for your time, H20.